Liz and I are still in sunny Crete. It's not sunny today, and we're not sunny either. But tomorrow will be a better day, I hope. We have just completed a 5-day retreat with 2 other of our core bodywork instructors and 4 others by Skype. And we really have worked through some of our issues, some of our ideas. I'm calling it group mind. I'm approaching 69 this year, and I'm slowing it down. I want to spend more time at my lovely home in Crete. I want to spend more time sitting around, reading, thinking, writing. And so less time traveling, less time teaching, less time seeing clients. I'm delighted to be turning this work over to about 5 people right now who are really going gangbusters. We discussed such things as our certification process, how to make sure that we are giving people the right certificates, that people have earned the certificates, that they understand the privacy issues around this instructor might want to look at this student's work. We discuss such things as social media. We discuss such things as how do we update and rework our handouts to make them more user-friendly and more user-friendly. We had a good time. We got a lot done. And did I mention that we worked on each other quite a bit? So it's exciting to me that there is a generation coming up behind me now that is now worldwide. Malaysia, United Kingdom, Scotland and England, United States, 3 or 4 of us, 5 of us in the US now. And I'm teaching some in Crete, and Liz is teaching in Maldives. So we're going around the world a little bit now. I'll be visiting London for a month in November of 19. I'll be visiting Malaysia for a couple of weeks in February of 2020. And I'll be offering an advanced course here in Satia, Crete in May of 2020. So if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about this group of the core group, I invite you to look at our website, www.corefascialrelease.com, and look at the directory, look at the course offerings, look at the YouTubes. I think if you start looking at us, you're going to go, these people make sense. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.